Welcome to ChinaTech Chamatkar. Today we explore how AI-powered humanoid robots are transforming robotics, blending advanced AI with human-like forms for complex tasks. These machines are no longer sci-fi, they're addressing pressing societal challenges like labor shortages and an aging population. Leading this charge are Chinese companies UBTECH Robotics and Unitree Robotics, both Shenzhen-based pioneers accelerating deployments in manufacturing and elder care. This surge is fueled by government subsidies, positioning China to dominate global production, projected to exceed 10,000 units in 2025. Cumulative private funding in the sector has reached $9.8 billion since 2017, with UBTECH alone securing over $2 billion. This ecosystem not only boosts efficiency but also sparks geopolitical tensions, with figures like Elon Musk expressing concerns over China's lead. Founded in 2012, UBTECH has evolved from educational robots to full-scale humanoids, leveraging AI for perception, decision-making, and manipulation. UBTECH has deployed over 500 Walker S1 units across major automotive factories, marking one of the largest integrations of humanoids in production lines. At BYD, Geely, and FAW Volkswagen plants, robots streamline assembly by lifting heavy boxes, sorting components, and conducting instrument testing. In Zeekr's 5G intelligent factory in Ningbo, dozens of Walker S1s handle multitask operations like quality checks and material handling, announced in March 2025. Foxconn facilities utilize these robots for precise, repetitive iPhone assembly tasks, reducing human error and fatigue. These deployments integrate embodied AI, allowing robots to learn from demonstrations, paired with high-torque actuators for agility. By 2025, UBTECH aims for mass production, targeting cost reductions to make humanoids viable for widespread factory use. Aging demographics in China, with over 300 million people aged 60+, have driven UBTECH into caregiving. In May 2025, the company unveiled a $20,000 home companion humanoid designed as a household buddy for seniors. Features include chore assistance, companionship through voice interaction and storytelling, and health monitoring with fall detection and emergency alerts. Priced affordably for mass adoption, the robot is slated for 2025 release, with production ramping up by 2026. UBTECH projects. It could serve 30% of elderly Chinese households, easing the burden on a care workforce strained by 15% annual growth in demand. Unitree, established in 2016, specializes in dynamic, cost-effective humanoids, emphasizing mobility and adaptability. Its models, like the compact G1 and the advanced H2, prioritize useful intelligence for unstructured environments. Unitree's robots are in pilot phases for industrial applications, focusing on agility over brute strength. They conduct quality inspections, monitoring, and data logging, integrating with AI platforms like DeepSeek for task reasoning. Material handling trials demonstrate feats like somersaults and half-marathon running, showcasing endurance. The company entered mass production in 2025, selling units as low as $12,000, thanks to China's hardware dominance. Events like Unitree's May 2025 robot kickboxing tournament highlighted coordination skills, though challenges like occasional falls underscore ongoing refinements. Unitree's versatile designs extend to healthcare pilots, with H2 and G1 models delivering medications and monitoring residents in nursing homes. These efforts align with China's elder care robotics market, valued at 7.9 billion yuan in 2024 and growing 15% annually. China's whole-of-nation approach, rooted in the Made in China 2025 initiative, provides a robust safety net for these companies. Key supports include a 1 trillion yuan pool for AI and robotics over 2 decades, plus $20 billion allocated in the past year. Local incentives like Wuhan's 5 million yuan subsidies and Shenzhen's 10 billion yuan AI robotics fund further bolster the sector. State purchases surged to 214 million yuan in 2024, and a June 2025 national pilot accelerates elder care robot deployments. Rent-free sites in Shanghai, Beijing, and Shenzhen for training AI on real-world datasets give Chinese firms an edge in rapid iteration. This backing addresses economic headwinds, like a projected 30 million worker shortfall by late 2025, while fostering innovation. Despite momentum, hurdles remain: high costs, AI reliability in unpredictable settings, and ethical concerns around job displacement and privacy. Humanoids still falter in complex interactions, requiring more data from deployments to improve. Looking ahead, Asia-Pacific's incentives and supply chains position the market for explosive growth, potentially revolutionizing workforces by 2030. For UBTECH and Unitree, scaling to thousands of units annually could make humanoid assistants as commonplace as smartphones, reshaping daily life. If you like this content, kindly share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Good day.